Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to search within your favorites list on Facebook using a PC, following the latest update. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to Facebook's website by typing facebook.com into the address bar. Once the page loads, log into your account if you haven't already. Next, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile photo there. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. Once you're in the Settings and Privacy section, look for an option called Content Preferences and click on it. This will take you to a page where you can manage various aspects of your Facebook experience. Now, locate and enter the section labeled Favorites. This is where all your saved favorite content is organized. At the top of this page, you'll find a search bar. Simply type in what you're looking for, whether it's a specific post, video, or page, and hit enter. Facebook will then filter through your favorites list and display the relevant results. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can quickly and easily search for anything within your favorites list on Facebook using your PC. We hope this tutorial was helpful.